now we're going to talk about the Hot Toys recently celebrated their 10th anniversary. Yes, you heard it right. Hot Toys, the company, is a grand 10-year-old now, and they have really come on in leaps and bounds ever since they embarked on this movie specialization and licensing of the 1/6 scale figures. So back in last year, 2010 December, round about the Christmas week, they had a 3 or 4 day event at Tokyo where they celebrated their 10th anniversary with a slew of showcasing new products, new licenses, and they brought in the president, as well as for the first time showed to their public their famous head sculptors from Korea, the lovely Yuli as well as Kojun. And you can read most of this in the forums, but during this occasion too, of course they had exclusives for sale. This is one of them, or this is two of them rather. The first one is the ongoing Dark Knight series of figures, and this time it's showcasing the Batman Demon from the Batman Begins, as well as Scarecrow, the bad guy. And they also had their third Michael Jackson figure, this time featuring his classic attire when he did the video shoot for Beat It, from that mega selling Thriller album. I think most of us who grew up during the 80s remember that. Michael Jackson really at the peak of his prowess. A little bit more about these exclusives. It's pretty exclusive in the sense it's also limited to 2,000 units when they launched it in Tokyo, and then subsequently another 2,000 units for their fans in Hong Kong. And so far you can only find these two at these countries. Singapore managed to get hold of some of it from the Hong Kong distributor, but it's still pretty limited at about, as far as we know, 4,000 units worldwide at this stage. There's no mention about whether they will be made available in US at this stage, so you can expect the prices to shoot up. The other exclusivity in Tokyo also was that if you had bought it during the show, you get a special certificate that is not available in outside of that 4-day event in Japan. Okay, let's go and unbox this and take a close look at the figures. We got a purple and a brown box from Batman Begins. We'll first take a look at the Demon Batman figure. I guess most of us recall this scene when I think the Scarecrow was hit by a whiff of his own hallucination gas, and he imagined Batman in this demon form.
Rise, how cool is dead. Who are you working for? Dr. Crane isn't here right now, but if you'd like to make an appointment.
Batman. I think most of us, if we bump into Batman in a dark alley, he will look pretty scary as it is, garbed in his night attire, black, imposing, tall, cloaked as well, horns for the head. But picture as you did Scarecrow when he was affected by his own gas and saw the Demon Batman, and he's gonna have nightmares. I think most of us will have nightmares. So that's what Hot Toys has done when they depicted this particular rendition of the Batman figure, with his scary looking face, teeth bad. You could almost imagine fangs as well on his facade. Upper torso of the figure from the head down, coated it in some kind of rubbery-like texture. So we're not sure why they had to do it this way. I guess my only concern is that this kind of substance or material that they use is perhaps not very lasting, especially in temperate climates. So anyway, this is something to bear in mind if you're thinking of investing in this figure. But otherwise, it's a welcome addition to the Batman line. Batman in this form. I'm not going to wear the cape on him, but they actually threw in a cape, and from what we've seen of the pictures, the the cape is also suitably demonic in the sense that it's tattered and torn, you know, not the usual you know, curtain-like splendid form.
Well,
couple of batarangs I thrown in, and a fair bit of number of different hand poses so that you can you know, mix and match to form the pose that you want. And of course the stand comes with most Hot Toys figures, the movie masterpiece line. Okay, so this is Batman ready to haunt your nights, turn your dreams into nightmares. The head does pop up, so you can actually, I guess, put in another less demonic head